Okay, Google, let's watch an unboxing of the BOYA BY-M1 Lavalier microphone.
Playing.
Abshin, welcome back. This is SKMDK back with another video, and today we are unboxing the BOYA BY-M1 Lavalier microphone. Yeah. Well, before we unbox, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you can be notified when I upload a video. Then like, share, and comment on this video. Your support is greatly appreciated. So let's get right into the main aim of this video. Right, so unboxing the BOYA BY-M1 lavalier microphone. Got this from Takealot. It's a budget microphone, so if you're a YouTube sort of starter like me, I think this is a good one. But I'll be testing it, recording with it, so after some time I'll do a review to also show whether it's good. So look at the packaging. It says for smartphones, camcorders, DSLR, audio recorders, PC, etc. And then the features: a clip-on mic for all those other smartphones, DSLR, camcorders, audio recorders, PC, etc. Or they're just repeating that. And then omnidirectional condenser microphone. High quality condenser is ideal for video use. Low handling noise, includes lapel clip, LR44 battery, foam windscreen, and quarter adapter. Right. So that's the packaging. So let us open. Okay. The first thing we see is, I believe, the microphone itself. Okay. Let's show that I don't mess up anything. Okay. So there's a user manual. Then this is probably a warranty card. Yes, warranty card. I always look out for these things to actually fill them in, so to be sure. Oh, it's quite nice. It comes in small sort of bag or sort of packaging for it, which I think is quite cool, because then you can keep it in there. Yeah, it's like that. Okay, so let's see what's in here. Okay, we have the microphone itself, and I'm actually quite happy because it's a very long cord. If I remember, it's around 6 meters, so it's quite long, so quite ideal. And then we have the microphone itself. It says cameras off. Smartphone, I believe probably that's where you sort of optimize it for which sort of device are you recording with. And then the microphone itself, then inside here also. Okay, I believe that's the only thing left. Let's place these things nicely. And then in here we have, see, some extra stuff. Oh, it's the battery itself. It's quite a nice touch. So you can already test it. And I think the lapel clip. I think this is I'm not much into audio. I don't really know what this is for. Probably when I review, I'll explain what that is for. And then I think this is the foam screen, so for good audio quality. So I believe that the setup is you would insert this in here. Oh, I'm struggling a bit. Okay, anyway, I'll figure it out. Yeah. Oh, there we have it. Oh, it's out again. Anyway, so yeah, that's it. I believe, yeah, that's it. I'll be testing it, and hopefully it actually does a good job. I'll be using it with my smartphone, my Samsung Galaxy Note 8. So let's see how well the combination works. So folks, that's it. Thanks for watching, and as I said, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share the video, as well as comment and tell me what you would like to know about this microphone. As I said, I'll be testing it, and also be on the lookout. Remember, will be doing a review of the Galaxy Z Fold2 5G, so be on the lookout for that. I'm quite excited to be recording that. So yeah, please stay subscribed, hit that bell icon so that you'll be one of the first people to receive or to receive the notification for the Galaxy Z Fold 5G review. So that's it, and thanks for watching again. Your support is really appreciated. Thank you.